load the gun. I'll be right back.
And I need to go.
What?
Unless you want me to pee right here.
Tommy McConnell, this is Sebastian Berger. We're from the ICC.
Marina Novak, senior criminalist of the National Police. I was told you were coming.
Good. Do you mind if I take a look around?
Please?
There were 5 shooters firing at a car here. Someone fired 2 shots from back there, hit one of them, then left.
I'll get the scan, Jen.
They shot him! These are gunshot wounds. Call the police.
This is the unit that got the first call about it.
Who made the call?
The nurse.
Have your crime scene unit start processing this scene. If there's good news to be had, it's that we can't be too far behind them now.
Please stop! Stop, please! Please stop! Stop! Please, sir. I don't want to hurt you. Sir, I just really need your car. Come, step up. Come on.